Hello everyone! Welcome back to Digital Corner FX. In today's video, I'm going to show you a live trading example using our professional NovaPulse FX Non-Repaint Forex indicator on MetaTrader 4. Stop scrolling. Most traders don't lose because they can't read charts. They lose because they enter too early. Every day, I see traders chasing candles, buying because price is moving, or selling because they're afraid of missing out. But today, I'm going to show you why I simply wait. No complicated smart money concepts, no confusing indicators covering the whole screen, just one clear process. What if I told you the biggest problem isn't your strategy? It isn't your indicator. It isn't even the market. It's making decisions before the market gives enough information. Most beginners ask, where should I buy? Experienced traders ask something different. Has my setup actually formed? That single question can completely change the way you trade. Let's look at today's live chart. On this XAUUSD chart, you'll notice several arrows, but I don't treat every arrow the same. I first wait for confirmation. Then I check whether price is respecting the overall structure. Only after those conditions are present do I consider a possible opportunity. One mistake many traders make is confusing activity with progress. Watching more charts doesn't automatically improve results. Adding more indicators doesn't automatically improve decisions. Often, simplifying the process creates better discipline. Here on my chart, I'm using NovaPulse FX. Notice something important. I don't react to every arrow. I wait for confirmation. The white confirmation circle appears first. Then I look for the blue buy arrow. Only after both conditions appear do I start paying attention to a possible setup. The chart tells the story. I don't force the trade. Now look at the price movement. After confirmation, buyers gradually returned. Instead of predicting the market, I simply observed what price was already doing. That mindset changes everything. Professional traders don't try to be first, they try to be patient. Missing one trade is completely fine. Taking a poor quality trade is usually much more expensive. One habit that helped me improve was waiting until every rule was satisfied before making a decision. A written trading plan removes emotional decisions. Whether you're using NovaPulse FX or any other strategy, consistency comes from following rules, not from chasing every candle. What would you have done on this chart? Would you have waited for confirmation or entered earlier? Let me know in the comments. Whether you use NovaPulse FX or another structured approach, consistency comes from following the same rules repeatedly. The market will always offer another opportunity. Patience is a trading skill. If this breakdown was helpful, subscribe for more chart reviews, rule-based trading ideas, and trading psychology discussions.